Hello, this is Global Insight. Due to COVID-19, we are no longer able to take overseas trips. Therefore, Atomy World Success Show is promoting something entertaining. Going for a trip to other countries with Atomy members. Of course, we don't physically travel, but we take planes and ships. What if we see cultural performances and traditions from around the world to be added in Atomy's story? All of this imagination becomes a reality at the World Success Show. Are you interested in these stories? If you are curious, do not miss the live show. The World Success Show will be aired in English, and we will provide the subtitles in 10 different languages. All of us from HQ staff, partners, and our precious members are a family. We are a strong family, one of collaboration, cooperation, and coexistence. To celebrate Family Month in May, Atomy staff have shot this video to show you how committed we are in helping the business of our members. 정성 쌍약, to better assist the efforts and passion of Atomy members. Let's get started.
In August 2020, we have broadcasted the virtual Atomy Success Academy at Atomy or at Vision Hall to other countries. It laid the foundation for accessing into the world beyond the limits of offline businesses.
I was so touched during the first Success Academy held here at Orat Vision Hall in August 2020. All of our Atomy families, both home and abroad, who were not able to make it here, participated via Zoom and YouTube and filled this LED at the back end of the stage, and I was so moved by that. Atomy has grown up by taking a new challenge. We are ahead of others. I was able to witness it and realize it.
Starting with the U.S. corporation in 2010, we have established 19 global corporations so far. Without a doubt, we are a global company now. Atomy held a variety of seminars to engage our members both home and abroad. Before COVID-19, we have seamlessly prepared to respond to new business changes and held online seminars from February 2020 respectively by domestic and global corporations. Finally, we have established an online system to bring both domestic and global members together.
The successful global online system broadcasts the Success Academy held in Korea for both Korean and international members via online in real time. Also, we provide multilingual interpretation services. COVID-19 hampers our foreign members from having some offline gatherings, and I realize that we need to provide them with more assistance. Though global corporations hold multiple online seminars, it will be much helpful if we engage our global members to Success Academy in Korea. So I was confident this system will be significantly conducive to them.
Atomy or at Vision Hall to put an online Success Academy together. I could tell people were determined with the event approaching. Everyone was so committed in continuously going over the processes.
Please check R14. We are trying our utmost effort to be perfectly ready for the event as it is on air real-time worldwide at the moment. Around 3,000 people are participating in the event via Zoom. And for those who are watching with us in real time, we are trying our best to provide the vivid picture of the field to better promote communication.
Here, we broadcast an online Success Academy in real time worldwide.
Our team is in charge of editing, broadcast technology, production, as well as audio's LED, PPT, and other broadcast-related work as we broadcast to global audience. We have repeated rehearsals to make sure what we are missing, and we are fully committed to remaining vigilant.
One of the most critical parts in successfully hosting the Academy is Zoom.
A number of people join the seminar via Zoom to feel as if they are at the field, and it makes them feel fully engaged in real time. Our role is to deliver the critical vision and provide the excitement of the event while we make sure all the technical systems are well functioning. We make strenuous efforts to provide the vision and fun by stabilizing the Zoom system.
Their role is of great significance. These are schedules and cue cards. They are interpreters that help broadcast the Online Success Academy into multiple languages. New product launching can be difficult, but I look forward to your best interpreting service.
Atomy はオフラインでサクセスアカデミーをするときからずっと同時通訳サービスを行ってきました。ソンリさんがメイン会場でサクセスをしていたときは、韓国で活動する日本人会員の方々や韓国のサクセスに日本から海を越えて参加する会員の方々がいらっしゃり、日本語の通訳を行いました。そしてアトミパークでサクセスを行うようになり、現在多彩な言語の通訳システムを運営しています。
As our company is growing rapidly and members from all around the world is attending our online seminars, the need to provide absolute quality interpretation is also very high. There are many discussions needed to be made, and we provide our materials such as PPTs and videos to the interpreters so that they can provide their best during the Success Academy.
Success Academy boasts 9 interpretation booths with 18 interpreters. Our global members will be rendered with the best and accurate information and vision. Strenuous efforts from Atomy staffs to reach the best. Did Atomy's information and vision reach our Alejandra Ferrer, the leader of Atomy Mexico Satellite Success Center, has been actively participating in the Online Success Academy.
Para mí ha sido una herramienta poderosa. ¿Por qué? Porque a través de la pantalla yo recibo la visión del presidente, cuando a él lo entrevistan, cuando él explica cómo es que selecciona esos productos para que se aplique ese yes en Atomy. Oírlo, escucharlo de la persona que lo ideó es especial, es espectacular. Es transmitir exactamente la visión que él tiene para esta compañía global. Y yo la recibo de ese modo. Adicional, verlo en el video me da a mí un panorama amplio para poder transmitirlo a mis socios, a mi linaje, a mi grupo, y de esa forma estoy más segura y más confiada de lo que Atomy representa para los mexicanos y para las personas atomianas de todo el mundo, para los consumidores, para los desarrolladores de negocio.
Atomy's online broadcasting system breaks the barriers of time difference and languages.
Muchas gracias, Atomy Corea, por pensar en nosotros, por pensar en los que estamos al otro lado del mundo e incentivarnos con todas esas novedades que nos presentan en cada Academia del Éxito. Muchísimas gracias.
También se siente muy contento por ver el presidente muy cerca, en tiempo real, en vivo, escuchando su discurso en esta Academia de Éxito. También a los líderes de otros países. Y también me han contado que está muy satisfecho por los materiales que suministramos o que producimos desde Atomy para darle el uso de fomento de su negocio y su trabajo. Y también supo utilizar mucho para aprovechar el uso en sus redes sociales.
Angelina Hartanto is also actively engaged with the Online Success Academy from Indonesia.
Menghargai semangat, menciptakan visi,
What made her to join the Online Success Academy?
melayani dengan kerendahan hati. Beliau menganjurkan leader-leadernya untuk ikut join. Kesan pertama saya ketika ikut Zoom SA Global, saya merasakan antusiasme dari para peserta seminar. Dan ini mentransfer semangat kepada saya. Sejak saya ikut pertama kali, sampai sekarang saya tidak pernah melewatkan sekalipun.
Nice to meet you. Tomorrow we will have our monthly Success Academy.
Let's join the Academy together. Thanks to Atomy's online system, exchanges among global partners have greatly increased.
The contents provided by the Success Academy was in good quality. Sharing these contents with our global partners as well as the vision of the Atomy will be very meaningful. It was easy for people in overseas to join the online event, and even interpretation service was available. So I highly recommend this event to my Indonesian partners.
After the Success Academy, we always share our thoughts online.
Online Success Academy enables our global partners to embrace the vision as well as to feel engaged with Atomy. I hope more and more global partners can join the Academy to share the vision together.
A massive increase in the number of global viewers. So far, approximately 130,000 viewers have watched the Academy.
Even during the post-COVID-19 era, Atomy Korea will expand its business lines through online and offline channels. To bring balanced and successful lives to our domestic and foreign members, the seminar will greatly expand its scale. I miss all of you so much, and I love you so much. Thank you.
Even physical distance and language barriers are nothing to Atomy. To deliver vision and touch our global members, Atomy will make every effort in our respective positions.
Dear members and our families, thank you so much. Global Atomy. With the establishment of New Zealand Corporation in 2021, we have now opened 19 global corporations including Korea, and the number will change soon. Atomy is looking for its 20th corporation to open soon. As you are all aware, it is Turkey. Turkey boasts a vibrant trade with its strategic location in connecting Europe, Asia, Middle East, and Africa. Along with Atomy Russia, our new corporation in Turkey is expected to become the second bridge for our expansion into the European market. Second, Turkey boasts its high potential. With 85 million population, Turkey's average age is approximately 32. Comparing to that of the entire Europe, which stands at 42, Turkey is relatively a young country. For these reasons, we expect the Turkish domestic market to grow. Therefore, it will work a bridging role for Atomy's expansion into the European market. Do you want to be successful? Don't miss out on the opportunity.
Congratulations on the opening of Atomy Turkey brand.
애터미 터키 오픈을 진심으로 축하합니다.
아토미 토르코 오픈 고코레리 오메데토 고자이마스.
Congratulations for your grand opening.
애터미 터키 오픈을 진심으로 축하드립니다.
Congratulations, Atomy Turkey.
애터미 터키 오픈을 축하합니다. Congratulations on opening Atomy Turkey branch.
祝贺阿多美土耳其公司开业大吉！
恭賀艾多美土耳其隆重開業。Congratulate to Atomy Turkey grand opening. Welcome to Atomy family.
Atomy Turkey.
Hadi.
Faster.
Felicidades Atomy Turquía. Vamos.
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 Congratulations on the opening of Atomy Turkey branch.
Aza.
祝贺爱多美土耳其公司开业大吉。
Opo Santo.
Kabagsakan Atomy Turkey.
Atomy Turkey. So.
Congratulations on your new opening, Atomy Turkey.
Aja.
Atomy Turcia. Howdy, Bastir. Aza.